Okay, so let's redraw the circuit the way we had it. We had voltage, V, and then we had 2 in parallel, like so. And I think these were R1, R2, and R3. Is that how we had it, guys? Okay. And they want to know the voltage across the 820 ohm resistor, which is R2. So they want to know this voltage from there to there. And we'll call that V2. Okay, what is that voltage? Well, that's going to be the same as this. R3, this is RP, and they want to know the voltage across that, which is V2 or V1, or we could just call it VP. Okay, but I know the voltage drop across a resistor. The voltage drop across a resistor is just I times RP. That's what Kirchoff's rules or Ohm's law tells us. The voltage drop across a resistor is just that. So, do I know the current? Not quite yet, but we can get it very easily. This circuit becomes this circuit, where RS is equal to RP plus R3. And we said we knew that one, right? That was part A, which was, let's scroll back up. For our numbers, it was 1332 ohms. And so now you know what I is, because V equals I, R sub S. So I equals V over R sub S. And so look, I can plug that in right here, and I get V over R sub S, all of that times RP. And now we have all those numbers, we can plug it in. So we have 12 volts. R sub S we said was 1332. R sub P we said was what? Was it 338 or something? You guys remember?
372.
Was it?
372.
372. Good, thank you. 372. And so now you just got to multiply this out. So somebody multiply that out and tell me what you get. 3.4. Is that right? 3.4 volts. Anybody else concur on that one? Sounds like a good number. Should we try it? 3.4 volts. Good. Got that one right. The last question is, well, part C is determine the voltage across the 960 ohm resistor, which is this one right here. Okay. And at this point, you probably don't really need to do any calculation, or at least not much of a calculation. Anybody be able to tell me what V3 is? I'll give you a hint. V, we said, was 12 volts. VP we just solved for. It was 3.4 volts. Yeah, so this has to be 12 minus 3.4, which is what? 8.6, hopefully. Add a 0.4, we get 9. Add 3, we get 12. And it better be 8.6 volts. Let's try it. 8.6. Very good. And then the last part was determine the voltage across the 680 ohm resistor. That's this resistor right here. We've already done that. That has to be the exact same as this voltage right here, because those are metal wires going all the way across. So the last part is also going to be 3.4 volts. Perfect.